Ever wondered how a single leak could shake up a high-stakes courtroom? Today's session for Conor McGregor, MMA's notorious superstar, took a shocking turn when confidential details surfaced mid-trial, forcing an abrupt halt. This unexpected twist could reshape his case entirely, so what exactly happened and why does it matter? The courtroom atmosphere today was tense, with fans, media, and legal observers all anticipating another dramatic chapter in Conor McGregor's ongoing legal battles. However, few could have predicted what was about to unfold. Just as the session was beginning to gather pace, an unexpected and serious breach of protocol brought everything to a sudden halt. A leak of confidential information reportedly hit the courtroom, shocking everyone present, including the judge and attorneys, and raising urgent concerns about privacy and legal ethics. For a figure as polarizing and scrutinized as McGregor, even the smallest shift in his legal case can spark media frenzy and public speculation. But this time, the leak wasn't just a minor hiccup, it was significant enough for the judge to adjourn the session altogether. What exactly happened to cause such a dramatic pause in the proceedings? According to insider sources, the leak seemed to involve sensitive details linked to McGregor's role in an ongoing investigation. Although specifics haven't been made public, the information reportedly surfaced in a way that posed serious legal risks for everyone involved. As a result, the judge made the quick decision to stop the session immediately, allowing time to assess the impact of this revelation and determine how it might influence the case going forward. It's a decision that sparks volumes about the weight of the information that was leaked and how it could potentially reshape the entire direction of the case. The question now is, why is McGregor even in court to begin with? For those who followed the Irish fighter's career, his journey outside the UFC ring has been just as turbulent as his time inside it. Conor McGregor is no stranger to legal issues. Over the years, he's been entangled in multiple controversies ranging from assault charges to business disputes, each one attracting intense media attention and fan reactions. This current case was expected to address specific allegations against him, though the exact nature of these charges hasn't been publicly confirmed. But with this new information leak, the already complex situation has become even murkier. The court now faces the dual challenge of managing McGregor's existing charges while dealing with the unexpected fallout of this confidential information leak. So what was actually leaked? Although the exact contents are tightly under wraps, the buzz around the courtroom suggests that this leak could involve new evidence, undisclosed conversations, or possibly documents that were never meant to be seen outside closed doors. Imagine the legal chaos if new unexpected information suddenly surfaced, potentially impacting both the prosecution's and the defense's strategies. This leak may even reveal previously unknown aspects of McGregor's case, which, if significant enough, could alter the course of the legal proceedings entirely. And if that is the case, what implications could this have on McGregor's defense and his overall legal standing? The implications of this case reach far beyond the courtroom, posing real threats to Conor McGregor's career and carefully cultivated image. Known for his raw talent and unrestrained personality, McGregor's reputation has been built as much on his bold moves in the octagon as on his controversies outside it. But with each legal incident that surfaces, the shadow over his accomplishments grows larger and the pressure on his public image intensifies. Fans, sponsors, and UFC officials are all watching closely, and many are starting to question just how much more McGregor's reputation can handle. Each scandal chips away at the foundation of his career, adding a new layer of risk to his future. Sponsorships, which are crucial for an athlete of his level, may be in jeopardy as brands hesitate to associate with a star constantly under legal scrutiny. The UFC, too, could be forced to rethink its relationship with him, especially if this latest scandal spirals further. Some fans now worry that this controversy could be the breaking point, permanently damaging McGregor's standing in the sport he helped popularize. His return to the UFC, once eagerly anticipated, now feels uncertain as these legal troubles mount. For a fighter who has always thrived on his larger-than-life persona, another blow to his reputation could be the hardest hit of all, and perhaps the one he can't recover from. Yet the response from fans and the media have been mixed, reflecting the complex nature of McGregor's public persona. On one side, his loyal fans continue to rally behind him, dismissing these controversies as part of his bad boy image. On the other, critics argue that McGregor's repeated brushes with the law reveal a troubling pattern, one that cannot simply be ignored. Social media has been ablaze with opinions, with some people saying this latest development is just another example of McGregor's inability to stay out of trouble, while others hope it'll turn out to be a misunderstanding. It's a divide that shows just how polarizing McGregor is as a public figure and how each incident fuels even greater debate about his future. But what makes this particular case even more unique is the digital security aspect involved. The judge addressed this directly, highlighting the challenges courts now face in the age of virtual and hybrid sessions. With more cases moving online due to the COVID-19 pandemic, vulnerabilities in courtroom privacy are becoming increasingly apparent. In McGregor's case, a technical oversight reportedly allowed unauthorized individuals to access a live courtroom feed, creating an opening for the leak. Some sources claim that someone took a screenshot of the session, capturing sensitive details that should have been protected by strict confidentiality. This technical glitch, though seemingly minor, had major consequences and serves as a stark reminder of the risks that come with digitizing court proceedings. Such breaches of privacy in a high-profile case underscore the importance of strict security measures, particularly when handling sensitive information involving prominent public figures. The judge's response to the leak was clear and forceful. Halting the session was a necessary step to protect the integrity of the proceedings. Contempt of court is a serious offense, especially in a case that has already drawn so much public interest. Leaking sensitive information not only disrupts the legal process, but also threatens the trust the public places in the judicial system. As for McGregor, this incident could further complicate his legal situation, adding yet another layer of unpredictability to a case already fraught with complexities. Looking ahead, what might this leak mean for the rest of Conor McGregor's case? The court isn't likely to brush it off lightly. In the next session, the judge is expected to delve deeper into the details of how this confidential information slipped through and address the breach head-on. Legal experts are already weighing in, suggesting that those behind the leak could face some serious consequences, ranging from significant fines to potential jail time, depending on how severe this breach is deemed. Courts take confidentiality very seriously, especially in high-profile cases like McGregor's, and breaches like this one are seen as direct challenges to the integrity of the legal process. For McGregor, though, this disruption could create new challenges. The sudden halt means his trial could be delayed, prolonging the uncertainty and keeping his future in limbo. Each delay adds another layer of tension, both for McGregor and those closely following his case. And now, with the breach exposed, the court is likely to adopt much stricter protocols, possibly tightening security measures to prevent similar incidents from happening again. As legal experts prepare for what comes next, one thing is clear. This case just became even more complicated. The spotlight is on, and both the court and McGregor's team will be navigating uncharted territory to maintain fairness and order moving forward. Court officials may now need to reassess their protocols, implementing stricter controls to safeguard sensitive information from unauthorized access or accidental exposure. As the court prepares for the next chapter of McGregor's case, everyone from the legal teams to the public is left speculating about what this means for one of MMA's most talked about stars. McGregor is likely to face even more scrutiny in the days to come, and his legal team will need to respond to these unexpected developments. Can they turn the situation to their advantage? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain. This case has added a new dimension to the ongoing narrative of Conor McGregor's life, one that continues to blur the lines between his public and private worlds. This dramatic halt to McGregor's court session is a clear reminder of the challenges facing high-profile cases in the digital age. As legal teams grapple with unexpected security issues and breaches of confidentiality, the impact on McGregor's case remains to be seen. Fans, media, and analysts will undoubtedly keep a close eye on the proceedings, waiting for any new developments that could shape the future of this highly publicized legal battle. If you're as intrigued as we are about the unfolding saga of Conor McGregor's legal battles, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Don't miss any updates on this case and other major stories in the world of sports and beyond. Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think this leak will change McGregor's future in the UFC?